working here 20 and a half years. I worked down at the corner farm. My parents and uncles owned the dairy farm at the corner. They sold the farm and Packard's bought it, and I kind of came as a package deal with the cattle and the facilities. I've known them since they're the boss's kids are a little younger than what I am, but they were in 4-H in the dairy club like I was, so I competed against them in that, and that's when we were young. So I've known them since, you know, we were 12, 15 years old. It's definitely gotten a lot bigger since when I first came here. I believe we were milking 500 cattle. Today we're milking, I would say, like 1250. A lot more barns, a lot more acreage. Yeah, it's definitely getting bigger.
I grew up on a farm, and I thought that's not what I wanted to do. I hated it when I was a kid. I hated it. And then as growing up and realizing how much there was to do with an animal and how them animals are so reliant on you to take care of them, it became a pride thing, and I so enjoy it. I never thought I would. You know, even from when I milked cows, I just thought they made milk and they crapped, you know. I didn't know that, you know, there was a rumen, there was a reticula, there was a picula, there was an abomason, you know. Those are the 4 stomachs of a cow. Once you start learning, I was intrigued. You have to really mentally and physically be focused on everything at all times, because we make food, and when we make food, it's important that the right things going in and the right things staying out. You know, it's a big responsibility. I take it very, very serious. I feed you along with however many other Americans that I feed every day, from doing a superior job and sending quality milk out into the world to be ate.
It takes about 10-11 hours to, you know, push out their old feed and replace it with their new feed, and drive a big loader tractor and feed truck. My experience here it's all been good. I mean, being here that long, everything's worked out good.
I know that when that milk leaves in that bulk tank and goes in that truck and goes to wherever it may be taken, I know there isn't a doubt in my mind. My conscience is clear every day that I've did 100% perfect for America.